हेलो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपका एंजल केमिस्ट्री क्लासेस में। आज हम आपके सामने लेके आए हैं क्लास 10th का चैप्टर 2 एसिड बेस इन सॉल्ट्स। In this chapter we will talk about acids and bases, their definitions, their general properties, their chemical properties, reactions of acids with base, how salts are formed, and many more things about acids and bases and their uses in our day-to-day life. Let's talk about what are acids. So here you can see it is mentioned any substance that releases hydrogen ions when dissolved in water is called an acid. So you can see पानी में जब हम कोई भी सब्सटेंस को डिसॉल्व कर रहे हैं, दिस इज द जनरल डेफिनेशन. Okay, so acid in water, it releases H plus ions and anions will be left. So आप देख सकते हैं this is the beaker in which the substance which is called an acid is dissolved, and you can see these are the H plus ions. When H plus ions are released, hydrogen ions are released, what happens to these ions? These ions cannot live freely. They cannot have their existence freely. So what happens to them? These H plus ions, hydrogen ions, will attach to this water molecule and they will form hydronium ions. The hydronium ion is H3O plus. You can see by the reaction it is mentioned here, H plus combining with water H2O and forming H3O plus, which is hydronium ion. Now here you can see if we talk about HCl, if we dissolve hydrochloric acid in water, this hydrochloric acid HCl will be dissolved in water, then it will release two types of ion. First one H plus ion, hydrogen ions, another one is chloride ion. Okay, let's take one example. If we dissolve hydrochloric acid in water, we will get hydrogen ions H plus and chloride ions Cl minus ions, but there is no free existence of H plus ions. So what happens to these ions? These ions will combine with water and form hydronium ions, which will be represented by H3O plus. You can see here HOH means water, and another H plus is getting attached to this water molecule to form hydronium ion. Let us talk about the property of acids. So first property of acids is acids are sour in taste, or we can say acids taste sour. एसिड जो होते हैं वो चखने में कैसे लगते हैं? खट्टे लगते हैं, टेस्ट में खट्टे होते हैं. You can see we have some fruits here which have acid in them. When these fruits are tasted, the taste will be sour. खट्टे लगने लगते हैं. You can see tomato, orange, grapes, lemon, and there are so many other fruits also which will have different types of acid in them. Next property of acids is acid turns litmus red. Better I should mention here, it turns blue litmus paper into red, because the color of litmus paper is of two types. One is blue, another one is red. So keep in mind, blue litmus paper will turn into red when it comes in contact with an acid. You can see the paper strip, this is blue, and on adding a small drop of an acid, it will turn into red. Next property of acids, acids are good conductor of electricity, means we can easily pass current through acids. These solutions are conducting in nature. So here you can see in the diagram, we have hydrochloric acid here with two rods, metallic rods, connecting with a battery. This is the battery, which is connected with a bulb, and we can see the bulb is glowing here. This shows acids are good conductor of electricity. But if we talk about another acid, this is acetic acid. This is also acid. The same setup has been made here, but the bulb is not glowing. Why? Because the conduction of electricity depends upon the ions present in the solution. As we can explain this by this acetic acid is a weak acid. This acetic acid which is found in vinegar is a weak acid, and weak acid do not conduct electricity, or we can say they are poor conductor of electricity as their ionization is very less. वो बहुत ही कम डिसोशिएट हो पाते हैं अपने रेस्पेक्टिव आयंस में. बट इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट दिस HCl which is a strong acid, it completely dissociates into its respective ions and the conduction of electricity takes place. Let's talk about bases. So what are bases? A substance that produces hydroxide ions in water is called base. Means कोई भी ऐसा सब्सटेंस जिसको हम वाटर में डिज़ोल्व करते हैं और वो कौन से आयन प्रोड्यूस करे? हाइड्रोक्साइड आयंस प्रोड्यूस करे, OH माइनस आयंस. तो ऐसे सब्सटेंस को हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? बेस कहेंगे. यू कैन सी OH माइनस आयंस आर हियर इन द वाटर. For example, if we take sodium hydroxide and we dissolve the sodium hydroxide in water, we will get OH minus ion, hydroxide ions. So this sodium hydroxide is considered as a base. Let's talk about the taste of base. Bases are bitter in taste. ये कैसे लगते हैं? टेस्ट करने पे कड़वे लगते हैं, बिटर लगते हैं. थोड़ा कंपेयर करते हैं एसिड्स के साथ इसको. एसिड्स आर सोर इन टेस्ट, बट हियर द बेसिस आर बिटर टू टेस्ट. एंड वन मोर थिंग, यू शुड नॉट टेस्ट एनी केमिकल कि वो खट्टे होते हैं या बिटर होते हैं, उसको टेस्ट करना नहीं चाहिए. बिकॉज दे आर कोरोसिव इन नेचर. उनका नेचर कोरोसिव होता है, वो बॉडी को या बॉडी पार्ट्स को डैमेज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज बेसिस फील स्लाइमी और स्लिपरी टू द टच. यू कैन सी दिस इज अ सोप विच इज़ अ बेस. अब साबुन सभी लोग टच कर चुके हैं, उनको पता ही है आप लोगों को कि कैसा होता है टच करने में, स्लिपरी होता है ना. तो बेसिस जो है वो किस तरह से होते हैं टच करने में? स्लिपरी. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, रिएक्शन टू लिटमस पेपर. थोड़ा सा रिकॉल करें, एसिड्स जो हैं वो ब्लू लिटमस पेपर को किस में टर्न करते हैं? रेड में. सो दिस सॉल्यूशन इज एसिडिक, so it will turn blue litmus paper into red, but the bases are totally opposite to acids. So bases will convert red litmus paper into blue. red litmus paper को किस में कन्वर्ट करते हैं? ये ब्लू में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. bases are also good conductor of electricity. You can see this is the soap solution here. In this container we have here metallic rods or carbon rods connected with the cell, and in series we are connecting an LED. So you can see the LED is glowing here. This shows bases are also good conductor of electricity. Next property is on dilution acids and bases release heat. कि अगर एसिड और बेस को डाइल्यूट किया जाए तो उससे क्या प्रोड्यूस होती है, हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है. नाउ what is the proper method of dilution of acids and bases? So keep in mind we have to add acids or bases in water. हम क्या करते हैं, एसिड्स और बेसिस को पानी में डाल करके डिज़ोल्व करते हैं. इसका उल्टा नहीं करेंगे. वी विल नेवर मिक्स वाटर इन एसिड और basis because the reaction is highly exothermic. A lot of amount of heat is released, liberated, and the solution may splash out also. So थोड़ा जलने का खतरा होता है. Clear? So here we have some common examples of acids. Ethanoic acid, which is present in vinegar, tomato juice, etc. Citric acid, found in citrus fruit like lemon. Lactic acid, which is found in milk. Tannic acid, which is found in tea. Tartaric acid in grapes. Some common acids which are used in our labs: HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid, HNO3. Here you can see a battery, and the question is also given here, which of these is found in batteries? The answer is sulfuric acid. So here you can see some examples of bases also. The common examples are antacids. Example, milk of magnesia. Cleansing agents like soap, detergents, etc. So ये सारे किसके एग्जाम्पल हुए? बेसिस के एग्जाम्पल. आई होप कि यहाँ तक आप लोगों को क्लियर होगा. वीडियो को लाइक करें, अपने कमेंट्स करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.